isn't a game of noise, it's a jewel of silence. Every swing is a whisper that echoes through time. True greatness walks quietly, then lands on a green.
Slow steps to the tee, sun in my eyes. I measure the wind, I visualize. No crowd, no noise, just soul and steel. The swing begins when the world stands still. Tempo flows in a single breath. No fear, no rush, no room for guess. This game's not a race, it's a test of grace. And the heroes here move with quiet pace. Hold steady, lean in, feel the rhythm deep within. Not every strike needs thunder's ring. Some legends rise on a quiet swing. The quiet swing, the silent wind, power and poise from deep within. A whisper cuts through the open sky.
Look at the trees. Look at the green grass. Laid out so nicely, well cut, well trimmed.
Swing, the silent wind, power and poise from deep within. A whisper cuts.
It stretches along the National N3 road. It is also at the foot of Platberg mountain. This is the place where golfers meet.
Precision's the reason champions fly. The quiet swing, no crowd, no scream, just heart and wind chasing a dream. No need to shout, no need to fight. We own the game in perfect light. This swing isn't just technique, it's truth. Every inch of control begins with stillness.
It also boasts of tennis courts.
With stillness. Right now, it's not the crowd, the score, or the pressure.
It's me, the moment, and the shot.
Every club's a key to a silent score. Every fairway's a path to something more. I don't need noise to define my game. One clean strike and the world knows my name. Calm in the storm, cool in the heat. Even pressure bends to a leap. No chaos here, just thought and feel. And a quiet swing that turns iron to steel. Grip right, eyes clear. Every distance feels near. No fanfare, no wild bling, just soul and skill in a quiet.
Right there, at the top of that mountain, is the township of Intabazwe.
Quiet swing, the quiet swing, the silent wind, like poetry born on discipline. Aim, breathe, release and rise. In stillness the hero lies. The quiet swing, the quiet crown, built not to boast but to break it down. Where others roar, I let it sing. The world moves slow for the quiet swing. This is not about strength, it's about serenity in motion. The quiet swing, the final play. A legend walks, fades into the day. I don't chase fame, I chase the line, where silence and glory intertwine. The quiet swing, forever known, a graceful path I walked alone.